Hello, grade 8. Good day. I am Teacher Jericho, your music teacher. We already reached the fourth quarter, meaning this is the last quarter for this school year. And we will now talk about the traditional Asian theater music. Okay, let's go first with the Wayang Kulit. Wayang kulit is a form of traditional theater that involves a puppet shadow play from Indonesia. In short, you will see the shadow of the puppet. Sila yung character sa play. The term wayang is a Javanese word that means puppet, and kulit means skin or leather. Puppets used in wayang kulit are made up of buffalo leather and are mounted on bamboo sticks. So the wayang kulit or the stories used in wayang kulit are mostly based on Indian epics like Mahabharata and Ramayana. Mahabharata and Ramayana are the longest epic from India. There are also other stories such as one about the Javanese prince and the princess from Kediri. Aside from Indian epics, the wayang kulit is also used to tell religious stories. Wayang kulit is also considered as an important vehicle for religion, cultural and expression, and morality. So what does this mean? Ibig sabihin, the wayang kulit is the instrument para mas maintindihan yung religion, cultural expression, and morality ng mga Indian. It can also be used to educate and to entertain. Wayang kulit was hailed as a masterpiece of oral and intangible heritage of humanity by UNESCO in November 2003. Now, let's go with the dalang. It is the puppeteer of the wayang kulit. Okay? Siya yung nagpapagalaw ng mga puppet. He or she manipulates all the puppets, give voices for each character, and produces sound effect to enhance the plot. And he or she is the key element in the performance. Without the dalang or dalang, there will be no wayang kulit. Kasi walang magpapagalaw ng mga puppets. He or she can make his own puppets for a performance. Many dalangs are also skilled wood carvers, painters, dancers, musicians, and priests. Okay? So, as you can see, mga magagaling sa art. Why? Because it requires, yung wayang kulit nagre-require ng kagalingan sa art. Siyempre, yung mga gagawin mong puppets, it is usually made up of papers. Oh, so, kailangan mong maging creative. Okay? And the dalang also train their own children to become puppeteers, and the training starts at a very young age. Okay, so napapasa-pasa din. O napapasa-pasa rin yung pagiging dalang. The common characters in Wayang Kulit are princesses, reincarnated Hindu gods, kings, teachers, demons, giants, and common citizens. The eyes of the puppets are used to indicate the attributes of character. Okay, like for example, narrow eyes, refinement and elegance, while wide eyes indicates humbleness. Puppets in the wayang kulit vary in sizes depending on the character they represent. For example, monster, giant, alangan naman mas malaki pa yung normal citizen kaysa doon sa giant. Okay? Both arms can be manipulated for articulation or expression. These are the examples: the teacher, the demons, the giant, common citizens. Okay? As you can see, may kaibahan yung pagiging narrow-eyed at wide-eyed. Okay? So refinement and elegance again for narrow eyes, and humbleness in wide eyes. And wayang kulit is also it also varies in sizes, and it depends on the character they represent. As I have mentioned earlier, alangan mas malaki pa yung giant, ganun. Okay? And gamelan is the primary musical accompaniment of the wayang kulit. So it's not just pure acting, pure voice. There is also a music. Gamelan is an Indonesian traditional musical ensemble. Okay? From our past lessons, you already knew what gamelan is. And the gamelan ensemble is composed of musical instruments like buning, saron, peking, gender, gambang, rebab, kempal, selentum, kenong, kethok, and the suling. With the help of the lang, the ensemble should be flexible to create music according to the pace of the story. Kung mabagal ang story, mabagal din ang music. Pag mabilis, mabilis din. At saka depende sa scene. Kung it is already happy. Okay? And thank you for listening to our lesson for today, grade 8. That is all about wayang kulit. Goodbye, grade 8. See you and I see you.